Morning students, today we will do A to Z in serial order. As you learned A to L in your previous class, and now we will recall again A to L, and then we will start from L. A says a apple, B says b ball, C says k cat, D says d dog, E says a elephant, F says f fish, G says g grapes, H says her house, I says I ice cream, J says j jug, K says k kite, and L says l lion. Start writing with M. Make one standing line. Make other standing line here. From here, make one slanting line to the down, and from here, make slanting line to the up and join the other standing line. It makes M. M says mango. Next is N. Make one standing line like this. Make other standing line here. From here, make one slanting line and join with the other standing line like this. It makes N. N says nest. Now next is O. Start from here, go to left and make a big circle like this. O says O of orange. Next is P. Make one standing line and from here give half curve like this. It makes P. P says for parrot. Come to the next line. Again start from here, go to left and make a big circle like this. It makes O, and from here make one slanting line and touch the bottom line like this. It makes Q. Q says queen. What comes after Q? R. Make one standing line. From here give half curve like this, and from here make one slanting line, small slanting line, and touch the bottom line. It makes R. R says rabbit. After R, S. Start from here, make small C like this and give opposite C like this, small c, or make one small curve here and like this. It makes S. S says sun. Next is T. Makes one standing line and one slipping line to the top line like this. It makes T. T says tree. Come to the next line. Make U. Start from here. Make standing line and give slightly curve like this and go to top again. It makes U. U says umbrella. Start from here, make one slanting line to down, and from here make one slanting line to top like this. It makes V. V says van. Next is W. Start from here, again make one slanting line to down, and from here slanting line to top like this. Again we will make slanting line to down and slanting line to the top like this. It makes W. W says watch. Next is X. Make one slanting line to the down and go to top again and make one slanting line to the left like this. It makes X. X says Xmas tree. Next is Y. Start from the top, make one slanting line and stop in the middle and from here make one slanting line to the left and touch the bottom line. It makes Y. Y says here yellow. Next is Z. Make one slipping line, small slipping line. From here make one slanting line to the left, and from here make one slipping line to the right, like this. It makes Z. Z says the zebra. Okay, now you all have to learn and write A to Z in serial order like this.